Hi guys, VST here, Velian Speaks Tech, and yes, you see this correctly. I'm showing you debloating OnePlus 7 Pro without root via ADB. So only a PC required, which is this one here, cable required, which is this one here, and of course, not bad at all if you have a spare OnePlus 7 Pro phone. Guys, some words about debloating. So there are several methods. The best probably is when you have root installed on your phone, so then you can download scripts like Tomato One, you can flash them, with Magisk and then debloat your phone. Works quite easy and everything else, but provided your phone is routed. My phone is not routed, so then I have the options to use my PC and authorize ADB commands my phone and then run several commands. And guys, this is here very important and very key. Most of those debloat scripts will actually just uninstall several applications considered to be bloat, like OnePlus stock applications and also Google stock applications like YouTube and etc. But then there is always a problem that you might probably need those applications or you might be using them. And that is why there is this concept developed by Tomato where he apparently is using several different scripts. So there is a script called invisible debloat, and the invisible script removes only applications that are related to telemetry or that don't have any function. So what I pretty much removed from my phone is not considered to be something that people really use too much, right? So telemetry information, usually your phone is sending this to OnePlus, you don't need this. Then there is the light script, which kind of removes all that is already removed from the invisible, but also removes some of the applications that you might be using. And then we have the extreme script, which removes invisible, light, and then also some Google applications. And by the way, you can go here, and this guy provided a very nice explanation what exactly is removed from the invisible script, what exactly are the light applications, and what are the extreme applications. Like for example here, from the extreme application, we remove OnePlus wallpapers, we remove the OnePlus screen recorder, we'll remove Google Chrome, and all these things that usually I use, so that's why I didn't want to go for this one. Alright guys? Have in mind, you're doing this on your own risk, but if you follow the steps in my video and install the links that I'm putting in my video description, you should be on the safe side. This script here currently that I'm going to show you and I'm going to be using it uninstalls all the applications. And now there are some other scripts developed by other guys that actually will just disable it, okay? So it's just up to you to decide what exactly do you want to remove from your phone, and then also decide how you want to remove it from your phone. On this PC here, I don't have any minimal ADB and fastboot, so I'm going to be installing it and doing it with you for the very first time so that we can do it together. It's very important that you download the Microsoft ADB using this link, okay? I'm going to be putting the link down below, all right? So I am indeed downloading it. Then we need to install it, and you need to make sure that the phone that you're using has USB debugging enabled, and also make sure that when connecting the phone to the PC, the phone is authorized. But okay, let's do this together, guys. So the file has been already downloaded, okay? And what I'm going to do, I am going to just extract it, okay? So extracting it on my PC here, okay? Again, I'm doing this with you in real time. So yeah, if you ask questions later in the comments, I will check if you have read everything. Okay, apparently it has been already extracted, all right? And what we need to do from here, guys, here we have the fastboot command and we have the ADB command. All right, so probably, not a bad idea for you to just put them somewhere, where they are. Okay, in my case, I'm gonna be putting them, let's say, on my C drive, okay? And I'm just going to be putting just, let's say, ADB tools, okay? ADB tools. Now, guys, the next step is enabling the developer mode. So unless you don't know how this works, you need to open your phone. Okay, let me just try to do it, guys, with you. When you open your phone, you just go to settings, then go about phone, then tap the build number several times, all right? You see, I'm ready developer, but you probably are not. Once you enable the developer settings, what you want to do is go here in the settings and just type developer, all right? And wait or search, so developer options, and then here you're gonna see there is a setting called USB debugging. So the USB debugging should be set to on. Now what we want to do is then connect the phone to the PC. So I'm taking my OnePlus original cable, I'm sticking it here, okay, and I am connecting it to my phone. All right, guys, see. Now the next step is very important, guys. I have already connected my phone to the PC, right? And I will revoke the settings so that you can see what I have done previously. When you revoke the settings, the USB debugging is disabled, so I will have to enable it again, all right? I will allow, okay, open command prompt, type cmd, okay, then go onto the C drive. I put it into a directory called ADB tools, then just type ADB devices. Once you do this, guys, very important, you see, okay, now the program will start. And we can see already that my phone is connected. And then what we need to do, guys, is actually in the ADB folder, we need to be typing this command called ADB shell. So I'm just putting ADB shell. Now it is very important, guys, and really up to you to decide what do you want to install. All right, now I am gonna go and use the invisible debloat script. Okay, now I have almost everything there. And just gonna copy it, open my command prompt, and paste it here. And you see, success, 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 success. All right, I'm already getting some of those things removed. And I think that it does also remove some of the Google applications. So we need to see that one. All right, cool. Let's see. The magic is still running, I guess. Okay. Yeah. All right, success. Now I think all of this is apparently removed from my phone, right? And guys, there will not be too many things for you to check, because at the end of the day, just looking at the applications that are removed, we don't really have here something like Google Maps and Google Photos. But now my phone should be debloated, and hopefully, you know, it's gonna run a little bit lighter. Now, in case you go for some more extreme settings, you might actually benefit and have more battery life and improve performance, but that's not the case with me. I just went and debloated like all of these things here that I believe I don't use, or let's say you're not going to use. So again, guys, this was my very short update on how to debloat your phone using ADB and without having root, okay? Have in mind, you're doing this on your own risk, but if you follow the steps in my video and install the links that I'm putting in my video description, you should be on the safe side. With that said, I really hope that you're going to like this video, and yeah, you know what to do, guys. VST over, and have a nice rest of the day.